Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is going nuts. So we see this pump and also the weekly close. Bitcoin closed about 57,000 US dollars. So this is insane. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, tactical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. So also I should say that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So let's share my screen. Please smash those likes, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and push the bell notification on because sometimes we have time sensitive content. So as you see, our favorite bubble chart is in green. I even cannot see any red coins, maybe Aaron and Leo, but Aaron pumped really well in the past few weeks. And we see WEMX, Tezos, STX, OKB, Shiba, Quant, Myota, Use, Matic pumping well. Also, Chile is doing well. Luna continue. And as we see, Bitcoin is up 4.5%, still about 58,000 US dollars, and Ethereum is getting closer to 4,500 with a 6% profit today. So this looks really good for starting the new month, and I think closing November also give more confidence. So as we are checking the crypto fear and greed index, it's sitting at 33. So we are still in the fear zone, but not in the extreme fear, like it went down to 21 levels, to these 21 levels a few days ago. And we know when investors are so fearful that it's a good buying opportunity. When investors are getting greedy, it can last for weeks and months, and that's due for a correction. Let's check our favorite news. Major Estonian bank starts offering cryptocurrency trading via Bitstamp. So that's huge news. This is one of the major bank in Estonia, and then they will offer through Bitstamp. We know that Bitstamp one of the biggest exchange in Europe, mostly fiat and crypto exchange with few coins, just with the major coins. So it's not an altcoin exchange like Binance or KuCoin. One of the largest banks in Estonia, LHY, is now offering cryptocurrency trading directly from its app through crypto exchange Bitstamp. The bank says it is the first bank in the Baltics to start offering crypto trading. So they are offering it through their application. We will be the first bank in the Baltic to start offering crypto trading to our clients. As a first step, they will be able to buy and sell crypto assets on the bank's mobile app. So, and they are also giving it to average clients, to retail clients, not just to wealthy clients. In the near future, we plan to add new instruments, order types, and other solutions for more convenient trading. So, good to see that. I think this is definitely a huge thing as we are going in crypto. And let's go to check this news. As you remember, on Friday, that was a huge panic and FUD about this new variant of Corona. And now just the news came out that Omicron variant showing unusual but mild symptoms. South African doctor says. Okay. So what else? Yes, unusual, but my symptoms were what caught her attention. So symptoms are not so strong and destroying than other symptoms. And so far, we have detected that those infected don't suffer the loss of taste or smell. They might have a slight cough. And also, if I remember, I also read somewhere that nobody went into hospital because this new variant. So there is no need for panicking because this. So I think some powers just using this FUD to cause fear, uncertainty, and doubt out there, and they are using Corona because this is something that you can strap on people, and maybe also the case that they want to push market prices down with this. So next piece of news is hedge fund manager Anthony Scaramucci compares Bitcoin to Amazon in the year 2000, predicts strong Q4 for BTC. Okay, so if you and I were on this conversation a year ago, Bitcoin had 100 million wallets. Glassnode is saying there's about 240 million today. So that's great exponential growth, but it is not fully saturated. So I think there are buying opportunities all around. And if you don't have leverage on this, this is a good day for you as an investor. I don't think it's a hedge against inflation at this moment in time. I think long term, if you got to 1 billion wallets, 2 billion wallets, and Bitcoin was in what I would call a stable trading zone. Think of Amazon, 20 plus years of Amazon, thinks it's sort of Amazon in the year 2000. This comes with some volatility and it comes with a lot of fear and uncertainty, and that's the reason why it's down. I just think that this is a risk of situation right now, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies being volatile, that's taking people out of the game. It's also washing out some of the leverage, which I think sets up a pretty nice first quarter. I would love to debate that people that think that Bitcoin is an inflation hedge at this stage in Bitcoin evaluation, because I just don't see that as being the case. So he don't see Bitcoin as an inflation hedge, but he sees Bitcoin like Amazon in 2000. Let's go to our next news. Bitcoin appears to be still priced at a discount as Mammoth Whale acquires nearly 1,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so the first largest Bitcoin whale is still in accumulation spree, recently adding nearly 1,000 BTC to its wallet as price came tumbling from 59,000 to 54,000 in just 2 days. It comes after BTC options expired on Friday and sparked a huge panic selling. Okay. Bitcoin long-term holders net position change. So this is the positions of the long-term holders. And you see that long-term holders started to decrease their positions. And this is when they are accumulating. And this is when they are distributing. And they are distributing quite long when the price is going up. Okay, so going by the chart, if history repeats itself, the price starts to shoot significantly when there is an inflection in the long-term hodlers' net position from positive to negative. In other words, price starts to go up significantly when more whales are selling than buying, although again that it's bound to take some time. In fact, like Glassnode analyst said on Tuesday, that short-term holding positions were starting to increase, and it's coincidence with a price increase. Okay, so it looks also maybe sure long-term hodlers are started to distribute their coins, and this can last for several months and followed by a huge rally. So congratulations to the third whale buying up so much Bitcoin. Okay. Well, will BTC end November 2021? 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin bounces back in a record time. So that was this nice price bouncing back. Strong BTC reaction from the 21-week exponential moving average area. So Bitcoin bounced there. And okay, also on the 4-hourly, we are in this downward trending channel. Funding rates started to come down, and we really need some more answer to figure out the impact on growth. Coronavirus and risk assets are pricing in uncertainty because this corona stump. Okay. Being less risky doesn't make Bitcoin safe. Quote by Peter Schiff argued Friday, forecasting that Bitcoin would ultimately become as risky as any altcoin. Ho ho ho. 50,000 US dollar echoes, 30,000 floor. Ho ho. Not sure why you are so scared. This is largest bit since the 30,000 bottom. So large bits are there. So large bits are there. So there people accumulating, and this was the 30,000 bottom here with those. Essentially, one actor has the entire market in the grip. They know 1 month in advance how this whole thing was gonna play out. D-Day coming for free Bitcoin price correlation. What's D-Day? Only December, January affected with model extending to first half February. Let's check this. So this is the gold and Bitcoin, how they are correlated. If we are looking back in gold at 1970s performance, and Bitcoin is just going almost the same path. So this is quite interesting chart. Obviously, the earlier side of the window looks less likely. I couldn't care less if it's right. I have seen compelling work suggesting top from mid-December to mid-March with targets from 120 to 260,000 US dollar. Where will Bitcoin end? Moonvember? It's Moonvember here? Okay, so there is a survey that somewhere, yeah, most of the folks are voting that about 60,000 US dollar. So this is quite interesting. Okay, so let's go to our next news. Ethereum whales are buying free gaming altcoins as Bitcoin and crypto markets bounce back. And what are these free gaming altcoins? Decentraland, Sand, and Gala. So these are the most favorite Ethereum-based gaming coins, gaming and metaverse coins. Top 10 purchase tokens: Ethereum, FTX, USDC, Mana, USDT, Sand, Gala, Loopring, Matic, and Render. Render, guys, I really told you that Render is a good buy because they are providing something that can render different minings and make it more effective. Next piece of news is, it was a news in the beginning of November, just I'm putting up because maybe we will see something interesting in December. Roe Paul expect the pass of most pain around December. So now we are around December. Ethereum 2.0 and ETH ETF will extend the crypto market cycle. Yes, so I can agree with this. My guess is that we probably have a sell-off and then it rips again because that is the path of most pain, and markets tend to take the path of most pain. So not just because some weird market situation comes, but markets are always doing this and markets causing the max pain. Why? Institutions tend to make asset allocation decisions by quarters, and my guess is January to March quarter next year, we are going to see a huge inflow of money. So institutions are not doing anything in this year, so they are going to holiday. They are preparing for the holiday season and Christmas. So just closing the year, but January and the first quarter can be something amazing. Yes, we already read this, so just I'm closing this. And let's see this news about Ethereum. Ethereum price analysis, Ethereum resistance at 4,350. Ethereum already broke this resistance. In fact, will both step back in soon. Yeah, it seems to be that they step back. So Ethereum already broke this 4,350, and the next resistance will be somewhere 4,500 and 4,600, and then we can go to new all-time high. And this is so this is the daily chart. You see Ethereum looks more healthier than Bitcoin because even we have a spike, but the daily candles closed above this previous support zone. So now we have this horizontal support, this upward trending support, and we have a resistance sitting at this 4,350. We already broke that, but we have other resistance here. Technical indicators, RSI, the daily RSI is making higher lows. This is somewhat bullish, but it's too early to get excited since the price can go either way. MACD is bearish on the daily time frame, and the histogram and moving averages continue to fail. There is a potential for a reversal in sight as of yet. On lower time frame, the MACD is flat, suggesting a consolidation period before the next big move. Okay, so then according to this, we are waiting for some move, but now we are there. So these charts, I think this was published in the morning. So this analysis is already outdated. Cool. Let's go to our next news. Digital asset titan Grayscale says Metaverse is in early innings, predicts $1 trillion valuation for emerging tech sector. Woohoo, guys. So we are entering the metaverse, and that will be amazing. So this new paradigm allows users to own their digital assets on non-fungible tokens, trade them with others in the game, and carry them to other digital experiences, creating an entirely new free market, internet-native economy that can be monetized in the physical world. This is the perfect wording of metaverses. Gaming is just one of the most immediately addressable segments where value is already starting to naturally shift to Web 3.0, but the metaverse opportunity extends far, far beyond gaming. The metaverse is estimated to be a $1 trillion revenue opportunity across advertising, social commerce, digital events, hardware, and developer creator monetization. Web 3.0 metaverse economies can use their own digital currency like Mana or the currency of the Layer 1 based crypto cloud economy platform they are built on, such as Ethereum or Solana. The market opportunity for bringing the metaverse to life may be worth over $1 trillion in annual revenue and may compete with Web 2.0 companies worth $15 trillion in market value today. So this is definitely huge. I think, so this is definitely the future, and I really like this article. Next piece of news is Metaverse token SAND rallies 75% in 1 week to become top 50 cryptocurrency. SAND is outperforming rival Metaverse token Mana right now. Okay, so that was a huge run-up. And you can also Tuesday's announcement that Adidas has a plot of land reserved in the sandbox contributed to some of its growth this weekend. So Adidas just arrived in the sandbox. Oops. There is an Adidas land. So you can purchase the neighbor land and you can be the neighbor of Adidas. Facebook rebranded to Metaverse. We already talked about that. And SAND is up almost 170 times since New Year's Day. That was 4 cents at that time. Alpha test the game for the next 3 weeks. Animoca, so they are testing the games. So this is definitely huge news. Just waiting to accumulate more mana, sand, gala, but waiting the price coming down a little bit. And a quite interesting project that as soon as we will see that Cardano blockchain is operating, then Pavia will be the first metaverse on Cardano, and maybe Cardano will be special blockchain for NFTs and metaverses. Create, explore, and trade in the first ever Cardano virtual world owned by its users. So Pavia Metaverse, there will be a land sale. So land sale already started last week. So you can purchase a land for ADA. So definitely check out. I think this will be definitely huge. There is a nice roadmap. So I like this. I like this project. Also, maybe we should just find some partnerships with some metaverse for CorionX. Next piece of news is 2021 crypto literacy reports suggest 96% of Americans fail to comprehend basic crypto knowledge. They should come to my seminar and also following CorionX in the social media and join our Telegram channel because we are also sharing lots of educational stuff here and also CorionX related stuff. So join our Telegram channel, follow us on Twitter and in all other social media. A recent study suggests that 99% of people from Mexico and Brazil and 96% of Americans fail to grasp the basic concept of cryptocurrencies. Out of all the survey respondents aware of Bitcoin, 70% in the US, 50% in Brazil, and 14% in Mexico own the crypto asset. The report published by cryptoliteracy.org further explains that 9 out of 10 survey respondents didn't know that Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million. Despite the bull run in 2021, study shows crypto knowledge is lacking in the US, Mexico, Brazil. So they should come to my seminar. Okay. Survey shows youngs more likely to spend cryptocurrencies while older generations see them as an investment. Cool. 50% of Americans advise they would utilize crypto as a way to save for the future. Younger generations are nearly 3 times more likely to use crypto as a means of payment than older generation who see it more as an investment. Cool, guys. Good to have this survey that know that most of the people still need some education in crypto. 7th largest NFT platform, Rarible, launches messaging application following the non-fungible token platform supporting flow-based NFT collectibles. NFT marketplace Rarible has launched a direct messaging feature that gives creators the ability to contact with fans via the user wallet address. Rarible reveals Messenger to the internal NFT marketplace. I think that so it will definitely help creators and buyers to get in touch, but also I think maybe Discord should have this NFT integration and messaging things, or maybe also Telegram. Cool. Also, that was the news. And also we talked about the major Estonian bank and the crystal auctions. So almost that was the news. And let's go and check what Bitcoin is doing. So as you see on this weekly chart, Bitcoin closed yesterday about 57,000 US dollar. And that was a huge spike on this candle and now trading in this. So this looks not wrong for me. Also, we have this supporting trend line. If I'm switching to the daily chart, that we see that Bitcoin is sidewaving in this falling wedge and also going into the apex of this triangle. And we have some horizontal resistance, some Fibonacci retracements, and also we have this upward trending trend line as support, and other few supports here, and the big resistance at 60,000, 60,700, and also these downward trend line is acting as a resistance. So I would watch out for these levels. So even Bitcoin can drop from here and also pump out, and we can go into the apex, let's say for 10 days at least, and then making traders crazy. Bitcoin dominance is coming down and already broke our trend line, and now kind of retesting. And as I mentioned yesterday, let's check Bitcoin shorts. Okay, so with this nice pump, Bitcoin shorts came down, and we see, as you see, other altcoins are doing well. ADA is not out of the wood yet, but at least not dropping further, so that's good news for now. Avalanche, yes, is consolidating nicely, and these levels almost hold Avalanche, so I like the structure. We can turn bullish if breaking up here significantly. BNB is doing well, so I think BNB is lining up on this trend line, and we will try to break the previous all-time high at 670. What else? Okay, so what's this again? Yeah, so CorionX is also, there is some pump again, so good to see that, but we haven't announced anything yet, so I wouldn't be surprised if we will announce something that what will happen. Yeah, so Koti is doing well. Maybe Koti will break this trend line, and we will check CorionX on DEX tools because we have a better chart there. Oh, what a huge spike. This is the donkey. Oh, what a huge, actually it did a 100% just within few days. Donkey. Dot is still consolidating and maybe turned back, and then it's a nice bouncing zone, and hopefully we are coming back to about this trend line. Aaron is continuing to drop further, but I think this is a good buying opportunity, especially if you don't hold any Aaron. EOS, I think we will have some EOS news very, very soon, and EOS is really at low levels for now. Ethereum looks really good for me, so I like this movement. Ethereum is really strong. On the daily chart, we see that Ethereum just made a higher lows. So we have higher lows, and also this Friday dump even spiked down, but the daily candle closed above the previous candles, and this was a good sign. And then we have a further continuation to the upwards, and also this trend line is supporting our movement, and the next resistance at 4,500, 4,600, and then a new all-time high. Phantom, what Phantom is doing? Yes, Phantom seems to break out, and now retesting. Hope we can continue to the upwards from here. Yeah, Luna, our favorite, is doing well and pumping further. So actually Luna is in a bull mode, and I think we will see a new all-time high very, very soon, maybe tomorrow. Matic is just hovering between these trend lines and resistance and support. Hope it will break this 1.88 very, very soon. Solana is back about 200, but still under our trend line. So if this trend line will be broken, then I think this will be a good buying opportunity. But nothing is a financial advice. Let's check the total crypto market cap. As you see, this is a cap and holder. with a perfect retest, and I expect a bounce here and then continue to our price target, and that would give us at least almost 46% profits. Moreover is consolidating. This 300,000 is holding really nicely, 307 without 1,000, holding really nicely. So I would pick up some Moreover here, and also DYDX looks really good in this zone. So this is my buying zone. Tezos broke down. Congratulations, and Tezos really like this pattern. So I think then we will see a nice run up, maybe a new all-time high, and then repeating this pattern. Siacoin, some guys from the Crypto Minds channel referred Siacoin. Actually, it's doing well, so I see maybe there will be a retest, like we see a retest and then bouncing further. What Sandbox is doing, Sandbox is correcting now. So it seemed that yesterday also it pumped out and broke this trend line, and now maybe it will coming back, but I think that will be a good buying opportunity. Sand will come back to this zone. What Gala game is doing, let's check Gala. And yeah, so Gala is doing almost the same like Sandbox, so they are really correlated now. So let's put Gala here to the watch list. Cool. We have now Gala here. So guys, let's check on the DAX tools what CorionX is doing, because I find something interesting on the other chart. No, the price is down. So why was the price up? I don't understand this. Okay, so the price came down a little bit, but still down. So maybe it will just bottom out somewhere here. Cool. Guys, let's come and try out our farms on Binance Smart Chain. You can provide liquidity on PancakeSwap with the Binance Smart Chain version of CorionX in the CorionX BNB LP, and then you will be able to earn these nice rewards up 240% and 330%. So definitely come and provide some liquidity and lock up your liquidity pool tokens. So this is for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Please smash the like, push the bell notification. And I'm so excited because we are working on something that I really think that will help Corion adoption further, and also the entire crypto adoption. So see you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.